The 10th GEF IWC pre-conference workshops began with excitement in Montevideo. Hosted at the Development Bank of Latin America and the Caribbean, the pre-conference workshops provided a hands-on learning and exchange experience for GEF IW project managers, thematic specialists, and GEF agency representatives to exchange knowledge, strengthen their skills, and collaborate on solutions for our shared water and ocean challenges.
The GEF partnership and the IW Folklore are only successful based on the time that we all invest into it. It's a partnership, it's a family. And so the more we put into it, I think the more we all get out of that.
On day one, the project management workshop covered the GEF project management principles with a mix of theory and practice, featuring experienced project managers who provided practical insights on managing IW projects, while a parallel session focused on boosting the impact of GEF-funded SIDS projects and raised awareness of its needs.
A lot of people are facing the situation of the project extensions. I frankly haven't seen a single project that was not extended at least for a few months.
Only 5% of the total project budget, not the total envelope, the total project budget can be allocated for project management.
On day two, the spotlight shifted to sustainable funding and financing, where participants familiarized themselves with funding and financing options for post-project sustainability, with concrete examples by 4 multilateral development banks.
So today we're focusing on needs and priorities that the GEF portfolio has already brought forward.
At the same time, a communication workshop encouraged participants to sharpen their storytelling skills, leveraging visual narratives and innovative reporting tools.
In the context of international waters, we are working now in a new facility. This integration facility has 2 tools or 2 mechanisms that are offered to the countries in the region to get access to technical resources for regional projects.
Here, the experiences and the lessons that my colleagues bring to this workshop has been very, very useful.
The weekend concluded with a warm social gathering. After a 6-year gap, we felt the happiness of the participants gathering and the excitement of the first-time participants.
It's been wonderful to get to interact with the range of different IWC projects and the implementing and executing agencies, and having the opportunity to see where the shared challenges are and then the lessons that can be learned across the portfolio.
The film festival showcased powerful stories of environmental impact from around the globe, anticipating the transformative work ahead.